Just a minute. Today, we're meeting with an iconic funny man, Andy Lee. Hi, Andy.
Hey, Millie. Great to be here.
Andy, you're a writer, so you must love words. What's your favourite plant name?
They've got some great names, don't they, plants? There's sneezewort, a monkey puzzle tree, a foxglove. They're the best names.
We have a fun challenge for you. You have just a minute to name and guess the use of some key gardening tools. The tools are in that box, and your time starts now. Go, go, go!
Oh, all right. This one, I think it's a shoehorn, isn't it? The gardeners use it to put their boots on. I actually know what this one is. It's a tiny shovel to build, like, trenches, really thin trenches. You might lay irrigation in there. I think you're meant to draw a face on it and you stick it in the ground. It's like a scarecrow to scare off the birds from eating your important seeds. Jeepers. Wow, I'm unsure about this one. Oh, it's a cup holder. Oh, this one's heavy. Huh. Well, it's got a little mechanism, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's a hat measurer. Yeah, you measure your head size and then they send it to the hat maker to make gardening hats. How'd I do?
You did pretty well for a non-gardener.
Yeah. Thanks very much for having me, Millie.